Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a CapCut watermark from a YouTube video without paying for the proof feature. So first off, you want to upload your video into CapCut, and then now if you notice, you see that the CapCut logo is on the lower right of my video. You can change that. You can take it to the upper right, upper left, whatnot. What you have to do is to click on the drop down arrow on the top right, and then you could either click on upper right, upper left, lower right, or lower left. I'll be using lower left because I just feel it's more comfortable, and even if you don't remove the CapCut logo, it's less visible when it is there. Afterwards, you want to now go to aspect ratio, and you want to change the aspect ratio from original, which is 16:3, to 4:3. The reason why you're doing this is to reduce the frame of your video. So after doing that, the CapCut logo is going to go below your video frame. That way it's easy to crop out. Now after doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it would look like even if it was on the upper right or on the lower right or wherever. So wherever it is on the screen, you can just use this to remove it. Then I went ahead to just brighten my video, increase the saturation, basic lighting edits, because I just wanted the video to look more appealing. Then I went ahead to export my video. Now after exporting your video, you want to go to any other editing app you have, like InShot. But if you do not have InShot, just go straight to your gallery. Then click on Edit, and then click Crop out the CapCut watermark part of your video. Basically resize it to the exact size of your video. Voila, you no longer have the CapCut logo on your video. You can go ahead to upload your video as it is on YouTube or on TikTok. So after editing, this is what it looks like. There is no more watermark on the video. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and drop a comment. Bye.